guys, Alan here.
I'm dradon.
And today we're making for you the unicorn. They said it could never be done, but we did it. They said it won't taste good, but it's delicious. They said no, and we said, the hell did you just say to me? Ladies and gentlemen, the Keto Sushi. First, we need to start with our rice. How's it called now? It's that simple? So we're gonna put it in our pan, and we're gonna do what we call pan drying it to get it to the rice consistency. Okay. So we do this on a medium-high heat until there is no moisture left in this pan when you move it across.
Now, there's a tip for you guys. I know that this konjac root, you will not find it in any other part but here. So what you can do, you have to boil cauliflower. It's basically finely chopped cauliflower. You're gonna boil it for 8 minutes, let it dry, and that's what you're gonna use instead of, it's that simple orzo. Okay, while hubby is pan drying the orzo, I have here 4 ounces of shrimp. I'm gonna dice it. Of course, this is pre-cooked. Okay guys, we have transferred the orzo to a bowl.
And the table and the floor. I'm gonna take a tablespoon of cream cheese.
Now we're gonna use 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar.
We're gonna mix all this together, all this up. Smash this cream cheese in here. So this is gonna go into the refrigerator. It needs to chill for a little bit so this binds together and the cream cheese hardens up just a little bit, okay?
In a saucepan over high heat, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to the pan and 1 teaspoon of sweetener. Mix this for about 1 minute until we thicken a little bit.
Okay, so now there's a spicy mayo kind of thing for the dragon roll. Love this sauce. So this is a tablespoon of mayonnaise, followed by a teaspoon of sriracha. Just mix, guys. Just mix it all together. This is pretty good sauce. It sounds too simple to be good, but it's good. All right, so I put my shrimp in with my sriracha sauce. I'm just gonna make sure it all gets evenly coated. Whoa! Oh, it's thick.
Okay, it's thick. Okay guys, our mix is now chilled. This is for 2 rolls, dragon roll and
California roll.
I'm gonna separate the half of this. This is a sushi maker. We got this on Temu for like $2. If you don't have one of these, that's fine. You use a plastic wrap and it's gonna, so we're gonna, we're gonna start with our dragon roll. We're gonna put it on top of our sushi maker.
The reason we're doing this for the dragon roll is because for this one, the rice is on the outside.
I use just the half of it first. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. Now we're gonna use our nori sheet.
Yes, you can find this at Walmart. Cucumbers?
And now the shrimp. Close and remove part of the nori sheet because we're gonna keep it like this and we're gonna put now the rest of the rice. Use the plastic wrap and wrap it. And this is when we're gonna use the rectangle part. We have this beautiful tool right here. And we're gonna press it. Now we have decided to chill it a little bit more before we cut it because we have to use this again. Now let's move to the California roll. So this is the opposite, guys. You're gonna use the nori sheet first. We're gonna do just the same, just half of the rice that we have here. Just spread it evenly. Like we did with the dragon roll, we're gonna try to make kind of like a crack hole in the middle.
Okay. Oh, like a boat, like you said.
Like a little boat, yeah. We're gonna.
I got you. I don't always speak Darren, but sometimes I do.
Now, hobby is going to spread some sesame seeds. We're gonna start again with the cucumbers.
Shrimp are infused with the creamy sriracha sauce.
It was a mistake.
It was my mistake.
But a delicious mistake.
Yes, absolutely.
I'm gonna use 1/4 of this avocado. We're gonna add 1 more layer of sesame seeds. Now we're gonna add the rest of the rice just to make it nice and beautiful. Don't be scared to use your hands.
You're gonna have to. Let me tell you, you're gonna have to use your hands.
Yeah, if you've ever seen sushi bars, these people use their hands all the time.
And I bet they don't spill rice like I just did.
Now our final step, guys. We're gonna roll our nori sheet. We'll just show you this in just a second. The final outcome of all of this, because you just simply have to cut them
and eat it.
And eat it.
Guys, we have to give a shout out. We always give it, we love us a shout out. This is to Tasha Foodie Finds, okay? And she lives in South Carolina. This girl right here is something amazing. We love her. We love you so, so much. Thank you for supporting us the way you do. You truly, truly love and support us, and we want to give it right back to y'all.
Definitely. And guys, thank you for being with us in this episode. We love you so much, right?
We love y'all.
We love y'all.
There it is. We love y'all.